Hello students, welcome you back. Now today we are going to start the first chapter of economics, that is development. Okay, clear? So in this chapter we will see that one, okay, what do you mean by development, what are its basic aspects, and on which criterias we measure the development of a particular person or a country or a state. So let us start with the definition. What does the development mean? So you can see that one. Here it is on the slide, it has been given over here. The development is a positive growth, or change. The change should be in the positive way. Suppose we have, for example, if we will draw a graph, our graph should be like that. Always it should go up. Okay, clear? It must not go down. Okay, clear? हमारा ग्राफ जो है वो क्या होना चाहिए, आगे की तरफ जाना चाहिए. इट शुड बी लाइक दैट. ये जो है ये क्या है, नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट हो जाएगा. यहाँ पर ये पॉइंट जो है, इट शुड बी ऑलवेज दिस वे. हमारा ग्राफ कैसा जाना चाहिए कि यदि हम देखें तो अगली आज इतना है तो नेक्स्ट टाइम और आ जाए, और आगे जाए, फिर और आगे जाए. इस तरह से हमारा ग्राफ जो है वो क्या होना चाहिए, आवर लाइन ऑफ ग्राफ शुड बी इन अ पॉजिटिव वे. इट शुड बी अ पॉजिटिव ग्रोथ और चेंज इन द किसमें, इकोनॉमिकल एस्पेक्ट हो, whether it is social aspect, whether it is political aspect of the country हो. Overall development का meaning यही होता है. Okay, clear? Now we are going to discuss about the next part. Do all the people have same notions of development? Notions means what? Notions means goal. So for example, आपका अपनी लाइफ में क्या गोल है? Why are you studying? क्यों अभी भी इस टाइम पीरियड में भी आप अपनी पढ़ाई कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं? एट प्रेजेंट आपका क्या गोल है? आपके क्या गोल है? आवर गोल, योर गोल मे बी you want to take maybe the science or math subject, you want to be an engineer, someone want to take the good percentage, you want to bring, at present goal is that one ki you want to secure the good percentage in 10th class so that in 11th class you can be able to achieve your on target on subjects you can be able to take, and whatever you have decided that what you will be in the future you will try to achieve it. Okay, clear? So that we can ask it, there are two aspects of development, goals, aspects of development. First one ध्यान से देखना है, please go carefully, do carefully. यहाँ पर देखेंगे ध्यान से. Different people may have the different developmental goals. Yes, it is true. Developmental, different people के different developmental goals हो सकते हैं. जैसे for example, आपके लिए डेवलपमेंटल गोल ये है कि मुझे भैया ये लेना है, मुझे साइंस मैथ्स लेना है, मुझे इंजीनियर बनना है. आपके फ्रेंड का ये गोल हो सकता है, ही वांट टू बी अ सीए और सीएमए. ओके, क्लियर? देन आफ्टर दैट सम वांट टू बी एन आईएएस ऑफिसर, some want to be in this one. For the students like that, but some people may have different developmental goals. जरूर नहीं कि सबका developmental goal एक जैसा हो. फिर उसके बाद सेकेंड वाला जो एस्पेक्ट है, डेवलपमेंट फॉर द वन may not be the development for the others, and these are also called as contradictory goals. So let us discuss these two developmental aspects in detail about next slides. First one we are going to discuss about that one. People have different people may have different developmental goals. Okay, clear? Now we are going to discuss about that one. How? I have given you some examples. Okay, clear? Here you can see that one different developmental goal. It is the first aspect, okay, of the development. First aspect of the development or criteria. Youth may want to good job opportunity. It is true that one. Youth will always be in the true opportunity. Then after that, girls may want the equal freedom and rights to express themselves, because many of the families there are gender inequality are there. They are not treated equally with the मतलब in houses also they are not treated equally, and working place also they might not be treated equally. Here see that one ki they are unorganized people when working in the private unorganized sector, means private sector generally they give job. Here you can see that one ki that boss, he is a boss and he is giving them, और वो क्या कर रहा है, अपने एम्प्लॉय को क्या कर रहा है कि तुम जाओ यहाँ से. उसने शायद उसका कोई काम पूरा टारगेट जो है पूरा नहीं किया था, तो उसको वो कह रहा है कि यू मे गो फ्रॉम हियर, यू कैन लीव ओवर हियर. यू कैन सी दैट वन इन दैट पिक्चर. Okay, so now the problem is there where that person will go in between. Okay, he has to search for the new job opportunities. Again, it will be a problem for him. His development may stay on one place. Okay, clear? For the landless labor, what is there? These are the farmers working on the farms of the other or the fields of the other farmers. Okay, clear. So landless labor जो है, he may be having the, we want to better wages, उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मिले so that he can live the better life, और better working days मिले, जितने ज़्यादा working day मिलेंगे क्योंकि they are earning the money on the daily basis. Okay, clear. Daily basis means that every day they have to work and then after that they have to earn the money. So their work is like that. So we can see that when we have seen here different two type of people over here. First one we have seen that one. What we have seen? We have seen that one youth, good job opportunity. Then girls have different developmental goal. Unorganized sector में those who are working in they are having different development goal, and land labor having different developmental goal. So we with this example we can prove that one uh, different people may have different developmental goals. Okay, clear? So now next proceed to the next part. Now here is a work for you. I am giving you the one slide. There is one table has been drawn for you and some questions and situation has been given, and this will be your homework. Okay, clear? You have to do the homework for that. आपको क्या करना है? इसका homework करना है. Okay, clear? This one you will write it in your copy also. What is the goal of the prosperous farmer? Developmental goal क्या होगा? Prosperous farmer के लिए developmental goal क्या होगा? What will be the developmental goal for a prosperous farmer? Rural women के लिए क्या होगा? फिर उसके बाद a boy है rich family के लिए, उसके लिए क्या होगा? Then after that, these are the situation I had given you, category of the person, and you have to imagine what will be the developmental goals, and the answer may be the free response. So please try to find out these answers. Okay, clear? So now let us proceed to the next slide, that is second criteria. What was the second criteria? One people. See this one. Again, I am repeating that one. You can go for that clearly. Please see that one. Development of one may not be the development of others. Latest contradict कर रहा है. एक तरफ का कोई डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है तो वो क्या होगा कि है ना, मतलब दूसरे के लिए क्या होगा, डेवलपमेंट नहीं हो सकता. लेटेस्ट these goals are called as contradicting goal. So let us understand it with the example. Okay, clear? So here I had given you one example. You can see that one. Here two pictures has been given in front of you. है ना, clear? This is a picture of a dam. ओके, क्लियर? यहाँ पर ये डैम बना हुआ है, तो डैम जो है वो क्या होगा? डैम किसके लिए आता है? हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करने के लिए आता है. ओके, क्लियर? सो फॉर द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम विल प्रोवाइड द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी टू द इंडस्ट्रीज. तो ये कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम जो है वो क्या करेगा? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को, इंडस्ट्रीज को इलेक्ट्रिसिटी होगा, तो इंडस्ट्रीज बेटर इसमें क्या कर सकेगी? ज्यादा अच्छे से काम कर सकेगी. सो द फॉर द सेम ईयर व्हाट इंडस्ट्रीज. तो डेवलपमेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम इज अ positive point for the industrials, because it will give them more electricity. Okay, clear? आया समझ में? जबकि it can lead मतलब it means what? It means here again the construction of dam we are talking about. It leads to the displacement of the villages on the banks of the river on which the dam is being built. जिस बिल के ऊपर रिवर बनाया हुआ है उसके लिए ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट का कॉज हो सकता है. It can cause the displacement to them. Okay, clear? So because they have to go there, it will cover in the मतलब वो एरिया डूब एरिया में आ जाएगा और उस वजह से उनको अपना एरिया छोड़ करके जाना पड़ेगा. सो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क ऑन दैट वन दीस पीपल दैट where they will go if on this river the construction of the dam will be there. सरदार सरोवर में अपन ने देखा था नर्मदा बचाओ आंदोलन, आपने सुना होगा, मेघा पाटिल ने स्टार्ट किया था ना, तो वो इसी के लिए किया था बिकॉज ये वाला जो सरदार सरोवर डैम था वो डिस्प्लेसमेंट की प्रॉब्लम को उस समय क्रिएट कर रहा था. लेटर ऑन दैट प्रॉब्लम वाज सॉल्व्ड. Okay, clear? But at least it has created some problem to these people. Okay, clear? It is good for the one people like industries. It is positive. Lekin for the people, those who are living near the bank of the villages, banks of the rivers, then it will, for them it is a very critical situation. So let us proceed to the next slide. Okay, clear? So now next question arises that one. We have seen that one development goals. All people, different people have different developmental goal. लेकिन सबका एक ही target होता है generally कि they want to earn maximum income. They want to job security also. Everything has to be there. So people look for the mixed goal of development. उनके लिए सिर्फ income ही एक नहीं होता. उनको क्या होना चाहिए? Higher. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट जो उनका डेवलपमेंटल गोल है वो क्या है? इनकम है. द इनकम शुड बी ऑलवेज हायर. ओके, लेकिन ओनली इनकम इज नॉट सफिशिएंट. Other than income, you can see that one here it has been given. other than income, they need the following also. What they need? They need the freedom, security, equality, respect for the self and others, and self environment. For example, I had given you the one example of the choosing the job. Suppose you are going to get one job, good job. The company is offering you the good package, maybe 1 lakh or 2 lakh per month, but you have to go in the tribal area where you are not going to get any other facilities, or there is no security for you, there is no equality for you. है ना, आया समझ में? In that case, what they, your freedom will be taken out by the company, because always you have to be there on the notions or the goals of the company. You have to work for the company for full time. So then in that case, you are not getting the safe environment, you are not getting the safe, because always your honor is paying you high, so that he is always insulting you, as we have seen in the pictures also. Okay, anytime. So will you be able to work in such situation where you are not getting all such these things? Is it possible for you to serve? If you are not getting neither freedom nor equality nor security, respect also is not there, and safe environment is not there, in that case will you be able to join that particular job at the high income level? No, but sure it is. So that's why we can say that, we can conclude that, what we can conclude? We can conclude that people look for the mixed goal. People will always look for the mixed goal. वो जो mixed goal के ऊपर करते हैं, और other than income उनको freedom चाहिए, equality चाहिए, security चाहिए, respect for self other चाहिए, and safe environment भी चाहिए. Okay, clear? So now let us proceed to the next part. So what is national development? नेशनल डेवलपमेंट क्या होता है? ये तो अपन ने अभी बात करा वो इंडिविजुअल का हुआ, लेकिन जब भी हम डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं, हम किसी कंट्री के डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हैं, तो अब हमारे पास आता है कि क्या होता है, कि व्हाट इज नेशनल डेवलपमेंट? एबिलिटी ऑफ द नेशन, it is an ability of the nation to improve the life of its citizen. ठीक है, increase in the GDP, social aspects like literacy rate, life expectancy rate, and other aspects are poverty elimination, satisfaction of the social and economic needs. ये सारी चीजें जब कोई एक नई कंट्री जो है वो क्या करता है, अपनी जीडीपी में इंक्रीज लेकर आता है, सोशल जैसे लिटरेसी रेट उसकी बढ़ी हुई रहती है, लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी भी बढ़ी हुई रहती है, पॉवर्टी एलिमिनेशन के सक्सेसफुल प्रोग्राम्स वो लॉन्च कर देता है, पॉवर्टी को क्या करता है, रिड्यूस करता है, एलिमिनेशन मतलब रिड्यूस करना. ओके, क्लियर? सेटिस्फेक्शन ऑफ द सोशल एंड इकोनॉमिक नीड्स ऑफ द सिटीजन. तो ये सब चीजें जब पॉजिटिव वे में हमें मिलती है, तो देन वी कैन सी दैट इंटरनेशनल डेवलपमेंट इज एन एबिलिटी ऑफ द नेशन टू इम्प्रूव द लाइफ ऑफ द सिटीजन. एंड व्हाट आर दीज मेजर्स? कौन कौन से मेजर्स है, एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ नेशनल डेवलपमेंट है? These are the basic aspects of the national development. Okay, clear? So what are these? Now here there is a one question in your mind, that one key, what is GDP, what is literacy rate, what is life expectancy, and at the matlab etc. These terminologies, what does these mean? So wait for the next video. In next video we will discuss about all these things in detail. Okay, clear? So now let us stop that part over here, and we will proceed to the next video, next part in the next video, part 2. Okay, clear? Thank you so much.